This article has lots of different text features that we're going to be outlining with this slideshow. So as I read through the slideshow, just take notice of the different text features that are mentioned and just jot down some ideas or your thoughts about what the different text features help you to understand about the article. So for this text feature, study the headline, which is here, Out of the Burning Darkness, the subheading, a 14-year-old boy, a dangerous coal mine, and a horrific accident that would change America forever. And the image, which you can see the boy covered in soot inside a coal mine. How do these text features help you get interested in the article? Look at the image in this caption. How do they help you understand what job Albert had in the mine? So this text feature shows the children of the coal mines. These are some of the jobs that kids had. Mule driver. A mule driver led the mules that pulled cars full of coal through the mines. Mule driving was often the job that kids wanted most. And the other picture shows a trapper. A trapper opened and shut doors to let mules and coal cars through. These doors were part of a mine's ventilation system. The doors kept fresh air in and bad air out. How does this box on page 6 help you understand the rest of the article? So it says, what is coal? The story of coal begins long before Albert was born. It begins before Illinois was a state. It begins before human beings even existed. Hundreds of millions of years ago, parts of Earth were covered with hot, swampy forests. The plants in these forests soaked up energy from the sun. After they died, the plants were slowly crushed over millions and millions of years, eventually becoming coal. When you burn coal, all of the energy those ancient plants took in from the sun is released. The next text feature says, how do these images and captions help you understand the conditions kids face in the coal mines? So this text feature is a picture with a caption that says, Breaker Boy. Outside the mine was a large, noisy building called a breaker. This is where coal was broken up and sorted by big machines. Some mines also employed breaker boys. Their job was to pick out small pieces of rock from the precious coal. They sat hunched over for hours, their fingers often frozen and bloody. The next text feature is an image with a caption, and you need to think about, based on the information, how is coal mining different today than it was when Albert was a miner? So the image is of a bulldozer, and the caption says, coal mining today. Today, the U.S. relies on less coal than it did in the past, but coal remains a big source of energy. In America and around the world, modern safety rules and new technology have made mines much safer, but coal mining is still dangerous. Over the past decade, 228 miners were killed in coal mining accidents in the U.S., according to the Mine Safety and Health Administration. The next text feature is an image and a caption. And the question is, what was the purpose of bringing canaries into coal mines? What else does this caption explain? And it says, canary in the coal mine. Miners often brought canaries into coal mines. If lethal gases were present, the gases would kill the canary before the miners, giving them enough time to get out. Today, canary in the coal mine means a warning of danger. And that is the last of the text features. So reread through that article and see if you can find additional text features.